manger ou quitter manger l'ambiance. Allez, score ou mettre n'importe brillant. Chérie, manger banane, manger banane.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl ROXSLAY and I am back with another wig review. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also make sure you're hitting that bell button so you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today you guys, I'm going to be showing you a wig review on this hair that I have on right now. I did receive this hair from Ft.Samsbeauty.com just to give you guys a little specs and deets about this unit before you watch the video on how I installed it. So this unit is by the Stylist collection, and it is their Swiss Lace Invisible Deep Part Lace wig, and I have it in the design Wavy Wonder, and my color is 1B. All right, y'all. So this has a curved part, so that means you can't part it whichever way that you would want. So this is like normally not my side. I don't like my hair to fall on this side for some reason because I feel like this is my good side, and I feel like people need to see my good side, you know what I mean? But anyways, that's neither here nor there. I actually don't think it looks bad at all. I think it's super cute, super affordable. So I will be leaving the link down in the information box below if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit. So this unit does come with 2 clips in the front, 1 in the back with your adjustable strap. This, I don't know if I would say this is big head friendly because it is really snug, and like I clipped it on, but I feel like I'm about to have a headache, and because it was like sliding back a little bit. So I'm like, dang, I feel like I'm about to have a headache. Y'all know I don't normally clip in my units like that for real. Especially if it's for like a smaller size head, then yeah, this is definitely gonna give me a headache if I wear it too long. But yeah, nonetheless, still cute. They do have this wig available in different colors. I don't know if the box has the different colors that it's available in. Let's see. It does not, you guys. I'm sorry, I can't tell you what other color this comes in. But yeah, the lace was really soft though, and I don't know if I would say I received shedding with this unit, like just a little bit, but not like, you know, a whole lot. It wasn't like excessive or anything like that. And when I initially put the wig on, the curls look really like, it looks like you have on a wig for real, for real. So you are definitely gonna have to brush this out. I typically recommend people to brush their units out, brush their synthetic units out, just so it looks a little bit more natural. And I just take my paddle brush and really just brush through it. Now the great thing about this unit, I didn't receive any type of snags as I was brushing through it, so y'all know that was a plus for me. And I feel like when you brush it, it looks less shiny. Like when you initially take it out the packaging, it looks super shiny, like super synthetic-y, if that makes any sense. But after you just brush through it and everything, it looks just fine. But yeah, this is definitely a must-have in the wig collection, y'all. Like, I mean, you may not feel like wearing this type of style every day, all day, every day, but you need something like this in your collection. Like, sis, what are you doing? What are you doing? I don't know, like, I felt like cutting this part just a little bit right here, just to kind of make it shorter, but I didn't end up doing that. I'm just kind of like flipping it a little bit. But yeah, y'all, so yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. I think this wig is super cute nonetheless, and I did apply mousse up here to kind of flatten it down. And then I forgot to tell you guys, I also applied my Got To Be glue spray, their Glam Force Got To Be glue spray up here, and then I blow dried it just to kind of give it like a little, because it's a little too flat for me up here, like right up in the front, not like back here, because I like back here to be flat, but like right up in here, I needed some volume up in that thing, y'all. But yeah, if you want it to look a little bit bigger, you just can kind of, see what I'm saying, play around with it. And this shirt is not doing what I want it to do, y'all. Like, I want it to hang off. So see, y'all see what just happened there? Like, it hanging off to the side, like it made this look super bomb. Just, y'all, tell me that didn't just make a difference. Like, the shirt off the side, sis, like, who is that? Who are you, sis? Like, you cute, girl. You was real cute. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, definitely wear a cute shirt with this. for sure. And being that I have on a black shirt, you can't really see it too much, so that's why I'm like, let me take this off to the side so you guys can see what I'm really working with, okay? But anyways, y'all, so that was basically it. That's all I have to say about this unit. Definitely stay till the end of the video if you want to see how I installed and everything, but it was really easy. Like literally it's going to take you less than 5 minutes to put this unit on. Okay, so super easy, super soft. You don't get any type of tangling with this unit or snags when you brush through it, so y'all know that's a plus for your girl. Yeah, I would say you definitely need this in your wig collection for sure. It looks like some human hair a little bit right here, y'all. Like, check this out though. Check this out. All right, you guys, I'm done rambling, I'm done talking. I will see you guys on my next video, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Bye.